And today's video is one of the most important element of any home, the main gate design. A gate is not just for security, it is a first impression of your house. A well-designed gate enhances the beauty of your home and also provides safety and privacy. In this video, we will discuss different types of gate designs with latest prices in India and material, styles, advantages and buying tips. So make sure to watch this video till end. Importance of good gate design. A main gate plays its crucial role because it provides security, enhance the exterior elevation, reflect your home style, and increase the property value. In Indian homes, gate designs must be strong and durable and weather resistant and easy to maintain, suitable for vastu and space. So now we know types of gate designs based on the opening style. The first one is a swing gates design that's open to the inwards or outwards. So most common in independent houses. The price in India 350 to 900 rupees per square feet. Sliding gate design it's ideal for limited space, smooth and modern look. The price in India 450 rupees to 600 rupees per square feet. Folding gate design it's space saving, mostly used in commercial areas. The price in India 300 rupees to 600 rupees per square feet. Automatic gate designs, motor operated, premium and convenient. The price in India 1200 rupees per square feet. Automation cost will be extra. Gate designs based on the materials. Like first is mild steel versus that means it's most popular in India, strong and budget friendly. The price in India 350 rupees per square feet, best for independent homes. Wrought iron gate designs, these are decorative and classic. The royal opinions, the price in India 800 rupees per square feet. These are best for luxury homes and villas. Wooden gate designs, natural and elegant look. It's required to the maintenance. The price in India 1200 rupees per square feet. Best for traditional homes. Stainless steel, that means SS gate design, rust free, modern appearance. The price in India 900 rupees per square feet, best for coastal areas. Aluminium gate design, lightweight and low maintenance. The price in India 700 rupees per square feet, best for modern homes. Laser cut metal gate designs, trendy and stylish. Custom patterns available. The price in India 1200 rupees per square feet, best for contemporary houses. Now we know popular main gate designs and styles. Modern and minimal gate designs are clean lines and match black or grey finish, 600 rupees per square feet. Traditional gate designs, heavy patterns, golden or bronze finish, the price will be 1100 rupees per square feet. Gate with wooden panels or metal frames, premium fusion or design, it will be cost 1200 rupees per square feet. Gate with neem plated lightweight LED or custom name, 1200 rupees to 1500 rupees per square feet. Main gate cost will be calculation example. The gate size will be 10 feet into the 6 feet. It's equal to the 60 square feet approximate cost. MS gate design will be cost 25,000 rupees and wrought iron gate will be cost 50,000 rupees. Laser cut gate will be cost 70,000. Automatic gate cost will be 90,000 rupees. The gate buying tips: before selecting a gate, check the plot size and entrance width. Choose the weather resistant and material and consider maintenance cost and match the gate design with boundary wall and follow the water direction if you require. For low budget MS gates for premium look, laser cut or wrought iron; for convenience, automatic gate. So friends, this was the complete guide on the gate design with price in India. A good main gate not only protect your home but also enhance the beauty and value. Always invest wisely based on your budget and requirement. If you like this video, please like and share and subscribe to our channel for more home decor ideas. So for thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video.